Good morning, everyone. My name is Rihan, and today I am here to highlight the reasons that why reservation is good. First of all, I would like to mention here about the education system. We know that earlier what used to happen means in past the people who are from the SC and ST means scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. They were not allowed in the schools to do study with upper caste people, and there was a lot of discrimination. And for them the education was very worse. But if I tell you about the upper caste people, the education was very good. They were studying better. And but if I tell you about the poor people, they were not getting better education. But if I tell you about the nowadays what is happening, that both students can do study in schools, whether he is poor, whether he is from the SC and ST or upper caste people. They both can do study in the schools, and same thing and same education they are learning in the schools. Same education and same thing they are learning in the schools. There is no any kind of discrimination, and inequality is not here also. That's all.
So, hello everyone. Hello. My name is Sabha, and today I'm very delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you and share my views on the topic that is about reservation. Means still now reservation should be continued or not. Well, I personally believe that still now reservation should not be continued. So firstly, I would like to answer to my opponent as he mentioned about education system. So, brother, I want to tell you that this discrimination has completed. So, still now reservation should not be continued. It happens. It used to happen in past.
You are saying that discrimination has removed in India. It has finished from our India. So it is not discrimination is decreasing just because of the reservation. And it you cannot say that discrimination has finished from our India properly. Like you can see in the Rajasthan, there was a man. He kept his mustaches, and because of this thing, the people who were from the upper caste they killed him. Like you can see discrimination. And if I tell you about the Uttar Pradesh, what happened there? There was a girl. She touched the things of upper caste people, and because of this thing, the upper caste people beat them black and blue. You can see.
On the one hand, you are saying that because of reservation, discrimination is decreasing, and on the other hand, you are saying that discrimination is not removing. So, what do you want to say?
What is it? I'm not able to understand what is saying.
That on the one hand, you are saying that discrimination is increasing because of reservation.
Discrimination is
And
decreasing,
then you said
Sarji.
that it's decreasing, increasing, both things are saying.
No, discrimination is decreasing. It is not increasing.
So, now you are giving example of discrimination that still now discrimination is happening.
Yeah.
On the one hand, you are saying because of it is increasing, you said decreasing, now you said it.
I said discrimination is decreasing, but some places discrimination is happening. I said listen.
So now I want to speak my points. So it was that time when reservation was starting.
Continue.
When reservation was starting, so Gandhi ji, Atal Bihari, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, and many more people were there who were against of reservation. You know why they were against of reservation? Because they believe that it can be discriminatory, and because of this, fight can happen. And we are also Indian. We also need reservation. That's why they denied for reservation. And you know, SC and means lower caste people, they depend on government support rather than encouraging self-reliance. You know how means an impression is created among OBC and SC youth that they need not study and work hard. Even without doing anything, they will get admission or job easily. So is this good? Like this, they will know the value of education? Of course not.
Okay. Secondly, I would like to mention here about the unemployment. We know that earlier what used to happen in past, the people who were from the SC and ST, they were not getting the job. They had not work. They had not job, whether they are educated, but government was not providing to them job, and because of this thing they used to do work in the home of upper caste people. But you can see nowadays that they have opportunity, and government is giving them a lot of jobs, and a lot of jobs are given to them, and they are getting better jobs, and they are earning money as well as. And according to the data, 90% people are getting the job, and they are happy nowadays. And second thing, I would like to give answer to some opponent. They were mentioning that uh, who are from the general, nowadays general people are also getting the benefit. So I would like to tell you, it's their fault why they are making the certificate, why they are getting the benefit. Reservation is not saying to you that reservation is not for the general people, reservation is for the SC and ST people.
So, brother, I want to tell it is because of reservation, because they are not getting reservation. That's why they are making fake
So what's the need of